introduce yourself?
I am Maria Gacela Salva Bantolo, 24 years old. I came from Calao, Dumangas, Iloilo City, Philippines. I have 2 kids. The eldest one is 6 years old and the youngest one is 4 years old. With live-in partner, senior high school graduate, major in humanities and social sciences. I am a kind, honest, respectful, and very patient person. My parents are separated. My father is a driver and my mother is a farmer. We are 6 siblings. I have 5 brothers and I am only 1 girl. I have experience of taking care of baby for almost 3 years and also elderly. And I have also experience of taking care of person with disability for 1 year. My motto in life is patience is a virtue.
Okay. So, you are 24 years old, right?
Yes.
You have a live-in partner.
Sir, pardon?
You have a live-in partner, right?
Yes, sir.
How long relationship with your
7 years, sir.
7 years.
Yes.
Okay. So, what is your live-in partner work?
He is a laborer, sir.
Okay. How much he earn every month?
Every month he earn 50K,
50K.
50,000 Philippine
Okay.
money. Yes,
Is
sir.
enough or not enough?
Sometimes it's enough, sometimes, but it is good.
Huh?
It is good.
Okay. So why you need to work in Hong Kong?
I need to work. I choose to work in Hong Kong because I want to secure the future of my children, 2 children, and also I want to build my own house someday.
You need to build your own
Yes,
house.
sir.
How long you want to work?
I want 2 to 5 years.
2 to 5
Yes,
years.
sir.
You also okay, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you have experience taking care of baby and
Yes,
children, right?
yes, sir.
Can you sing me 2 baby songs?
Yes. With action, sir.
Up to you.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys.
Okay. Can I have one more song?
Yes, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is got the dreams.
Okay, good. So you hold these toys out, okay?
Yes.
Write this out, okay? So you read the storybook, okay?
Yes.
Can you read
Yes, sir.
3 pages?
Yes.
Hey, you stay back.
Sorry, sorry, sorry,
Okay.
sorry. Hi, I'm Patrick, and I love my dinosaur. So I hear a little Dino. He's green with tiny teeth, scaly on his top side, and bumpy underneath. The next, my funny small Dino. His tummy is it's so round. Dino think he's very scary when he makes loud roaring sounds.
Okay. Okay, it's okay. Thank you. So this is the bottle, okay?
Yes.
Can you hold the bottle?
Yes.
And then you tell me how you make the milk for the newborn baby.
Yes. First, for making milk for infant baby, first make sure the bottle feed is clean and sterilized, and then you put amount of water. It's depend of the old of baby, and also you put a milk. It's depend of the ounce of the water you put, and then you shake like mass like this, so that the milk can dissolve. And then if you feed the baby, make sure you test the milk using there in your hand. You put a small amount of water if it is ready to feed, and then if it's ready to feed, you can feed the baby.
Okay, good. So here is the baby, okay? You hold the baby first. Okay, you will hold like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So you tell me, you show me how you feed the baby.
During feeding the baby, you must slide like this the baby, Yes, like this. And then feed the baby. You must slide like this so that the milk directly go to the stomach, not stop there. So to avoid stop.
Okay.
And then when after feeding the baby, you put lean on your shoulder like this slowly, and then rub the back of the baby softly until the baby birth.
Okay. I want to ask you,
Yes.
what temperature the baby have fever or just sick?
I will check.
What temperature?
36.
36.
Yes.
Okay. So if the baby have fever, then what will you do next?
I will first I will inform their parents that the baby is sick. Yes.
And then?
And then if their parents said to take their medicine, then I will give
Okay.
her medicine.
So you will inform the parents
Yes.
first. Okay. So how many months the baby first teeth will come out?
If necessary is 5 to 7 months.
5 to 7
Yes.
months. If the baby first teeth come out, then what food they can eat?
Mostly it is fruits like avocados. Yes, mashed potato, bananas, like that.
Okay.
Because babies need vitamins.
Okay. Very good. So do you know how to take a shower with the baby?
Yes, I
Okay.
know.
Can you say it?
During taking a bath, you make sure.
Okay. Yeah. You stay here.
During taking a bath, you make sure you prepare necessary things. First, the bathtub, and then the clothes of the baby, the diaper, and the clean towel, and also the soap and the shampoo. And then if the tub is ready, you check first. You check the water in the tub using this elbow so that they ready to bath, to take a bath. And then during take a bath, first you must start here in the head, and then the leg, her body, and their knees and toes.
Okay. So can you show me?
Yes, just like this.
Oh, you will do like this.
And then the armpit.
Okay.
Yes. And then the body.
Okay.
During taking the bath, it is a time, must be 3 to 5 minutes because baby is very hard in water,
Okay.
so that can avoid pulmonary.
So you put down the baby, okay?
Yes.
You put down the baby. Okay. So you stay here. Okay. So I want to ask you, okay, if you work in Hong Kong, can you take care of one baby and one young kid?
Yes.
It's okay. How about share room? You also okay?
Yes, it is okay.
Okay. So here have some scenario question. You help me to pick 3, okay? Pick 3.
How many, sir?
3.
3.
Okay. Can you one by one tell me what is your question and what is your answer?
If I saw mom is arguing with with sir at home with the children present, how would I handle? First, I keep children because being arguing with adults, it is bad influence for children. And then I play the children so that they can't hear their surrounding.
Okay.
Next.
You give me back the question. Okay.
Only you and baby are at home. Someone rings the bell and say it mom's friend to come in and wait for mom to come home. What will you do? First, I will call mom. I will inform her or they that their friends is here. Then when madam struck me to enter, then I will enter them.
So you will inform the employer.
Yes,
first.
I will inform them.
Okay.
So that they know that their
Okay.
friends is here. What will you do if the children told her mother, "I like Auntie more than I like you"?
Auntie is you, okay?
Yes. No, I explained to them. No, mother is important. Mother is always love you. Your mother is always love you. All what to do is all mother what to do, what I've done is because of you. Mother asked me to mother asked me to take care of you, and then mother go to work because mother want to provide your needs. Yes.
Okay, very good. So, do you have any promise message to your future employer?
Hi mom, hi sir. I am very honest, kind, respectful, and loyal, and very patient kind of person. I will do my best as long as my duty to serve your family and to love your family. I will love your family as my own family too.
Thank you.
Thank you.